probability of discrete random variable. Properties. Summation of all possible value of x is equals to 1. Another property it is that probability, it is the probability of this value of some of x lies between 0 is less than x less than 1. So let us take one example. Example 1. Let x be a probability distribution function f(x) where kx and 0 elsewhere and x lies between 1, 2 and 3. So summation that x is equals to 0 up to infinity is equals to 1. So our function f(x) is equals to k x 0 elsewhere where summation x is equals to 1 up to 3 k x is equals, when we superimpose the value of x in this function, when we superimpose x is equals to 1 we get k, and when we superimpose k is equals to 2 we get 2k, and when x is equals to 3 we get 3k. So when we total all these values after superimposing the value of x, you get that summation x is equals to 1 up to 3 is equals to 6k. Therefore 6k is equals to 1, so k is equals to 1 over 6. So when we superimpose the value of k in this function, you get that f(x) is equals to 1 over 6x. So if we are told to get the value of x is equals to 3, we do not have y, so I think I contradicted while copying the question. So probability that x is less than 2. So if x is less than 2, so x can be equals to 1, but it cannot be equal to 0, since if it is equals to 0, it will try to predict that the event did not happen. So x can be equals to 1, and also x can be equal to 2. So when we evaluate the probability that x is less than or equal to 2, we get that (1 over 6) times 1, which is equals to 1 over 6, and also probability that x is equals to 2 is equals to 1 over 6 times 2, which is equals to 2 over 6. Here we have x is equals to 1. X is equals to 1. So when we sum these probabilities together, we get the probability that x is less than or equal to 2, which is equals to 1 over 6 plus 2 over 6, which is equal to 2 over 6, which is equivalent to probability that x is less than or equal to 2 is equals to 2 over 1 over 3. So probability x is less than 2 is equals to 1 over 3, and that is the answer. So you can also try to get get that, to evaluate the value of k given the question that let x be a probability density function where fx is equals to k 3x plus 2 0 elsewhere find value k. If you try, you can send me the question through my email in the description page. Thank you.